Hi everybody, Luke Rose here with you for your closing market comments on Monday, June 8th. The grain markets finished the day mixed with corn higher and beans and wheat both lower on the day. Weather forecasts call for rain in most of the western corn belt starting tomorrow as remnants of the weekend's tropical storm start to roll in. The wheat harvest continues to move northward from Texas and early yields in Oklahoma better than expected with a lower protein. Support on grains from the lower dollar and higher real values, now trading at 4.957 real per dollar. The Russian ruble has also rallied up 10% over the past few weeks, and OPEC met over the weekend, agreeing to extend the cuts for another 30 days, but several countries, including Mexico and Libya, are not complying. The Fed will be meeting later this week and will release comments on interest rates, inflation, and the economy. Funds still remain short over 280,000 contracts of corn while maintaining a small long position in wheat and beans. Weekly export shipments were released with corn at 43.308 million bushels, down from last week and above last year. Soybean shipments were disappointing last week at 7.828 million bushels, down from the previous week and last year. Wheat shipments were 15.907 million bushels, down from last week and last year. The dollar closed down on the day, down 282 points, while gold and silver were both up. Crude oil was lower after hearing of the additional shipments coming from Mexico and others, closing down $1.31 at $38.49. Stocks are having another strong day with the Dow futures up 401, Nasdaq up 70, and S&P up 35. The weekly crop condition report was released today. It had corn planting at 97% complete, up from last year, and above the average, along with being in line with the trade estimates. Corn conditions were 75% good to excellent, up slightly from last week and up significantly from last year, as well as being right on with trade estimates. Soybean planting was at 86% complete, up from last year, above the average, and higher than what the trade was expecting. Soybean conditions were 72%, up from last week and above the trade estimate. Spring wheat planting was 97% complete, up from last week and last year, with the average being at 99%. Winter wheat conditions were 51% good to excellent, same as last week, but below last year. And winter wheat harvest was at 7% complete, right on the average. The USDA will release the June WASDE report on crop production and carryouts this Thursday, June 11th at noon. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.